If you've ever gotten a payment and thought, what was that for again? You're not the only one. And if you're manually checking your transactions against your invoice list, it gets really annoying fast, especially if you have a lot of clients or invoices. So in this video, I'll give you an automation that matches your payments to your invoices for you. And if you appreciate this type of content, tap that like button. Here's what we'll get at the end. You'll recognize everything from the last 3 videos. We've got status column and the days overdue column, but now the automation can update an invoice automatically if it finds a matching payment in your transaction list. Quick break. If you want a copy of the script, it's free on my website, links in the description. Now let's look at the logic. The idea is simple. We're matching payments to invoices based on the client name and the amount. We're doing the same invoice data we've been working with, plus a second tab with your payments list or your transaction report. Just the basic columns you need. For every invoice, the automation checks if a transaction exists with the matching client name and amount. If it finds one, it marks the invoice as paid and fills in with the date paid. If the amount matches, but the client name is only similar, it flags the invoice to say review, so you can double check it yourself instead of the automation guessing it for you. Let's say you're ready to update your list. Keep an eye on this unpaid row right here. I'll go to Automate, find the script, and click Run. All right, let me remove the filter so you can see it. And there it is. That row now shows as paid with the pay date filled in. Instead of checking each invoice manually, your list will update itself based on your real payments. And that's it. You've now got a complete invoice system. Every invoice is labeled, verified, and prioritized automatically. In the next series, we're covering some common problems you might run into with your data.